Ember the dragon tried his very best to breathe a big, hot puff of fire. But instead of fire, Ember felt a funny tickle and gave a tiny, surprised, hiccup. Hiccup, Ember went again, and a whole rainbow of balloons floated up into the sky. Ember felt a little sad because he wanted to be a proper fire-breathing dragon. Then, his friend Pip the squirrel scampered over, chattering excitedly at the beautiful balloons. Ember smiled, realizing his hiccups made people happy, not hot. Ember helped decorate a friend's birthday party with his amazing balloon hiccups. Everyone cheered for Ember, who learned that being different can be the most wonderful thing of all.